Okay, quick look at the LX47-2. This is a twin pump spar, grey cabinet, fill shadow internals, black corners, backlit corners on this one. Sticking with the lighting, all of the controls, see internally, lit as well, handle, diverters, you see the water fountains actually glowing up there. Speaker hubs with backlit speakers in the back, waterfall. Okay, so this is a 2-pump spar. We have pump 1 that does this lounge position here and the central volcano jet. So we just pop that on. So we see what's going on. That's speed 1, speed 2, lounger, and the central volcano jet. We've also got power diversion, so we can divert the power and put all of the power into the lounge position, or all of the power from pump 1 into the central volcano. Set in the middle, still plenty of power. On top of that we've got pump 2, which covers the rear of the spar. That's also 2-speed. Speed 1, speed 2. Loads of power, we've got a diverter as well. There's that one, puts the power all into that seat or all into this seat. Loads of power options. Obviously the lighting is colour changing. Also got audio system, audio dock, USB, remote control. Fabulous sound quality. Okay, so we have bass tube in the bottom, 2 large speakers, and the 4 tweeters as well. So, fantastic music system. We'll quick look at the cover. We supply this one with a cover make 3, which is hydraulically assisted. Shutting the cover, a bit difficult to film. Just drop the cover down like this, halfway, and then we just simply flip over the top. And to open it is just exactly the reverse. Good time to point out the thickness of the cover, which is tapered cover. We've also got this continuous heat seal, which runs the full width of the tub. So nice and easy to open. If you'd like to know any more about it, please give us a call on 01684 276 555. Thank you.